Hi guys, I hope you're good since last video. What a mad beginning of year for the AI sphere. It has started in December 2024 actually. But when does the real year start actually? Do you have the information? Depends on where you're in the globe, right? This video will be going over a new amazing delivery of a new model. The video will speak for itself. Don't miss a piece. Watch to the end, as the best parts are randomly positioned in the video. As always, please like and subscribe, and let's get started. She's French. We are in Paris. At the moment, it's very cold in Paris, but she still has a message and it's gonna tell how nice it is. From this image, you're gonna see the video.
Parce que j'ai toujours habité à Paris et dans tous les cas, j'aime beaucoup la capitale, il y a tout.
How amazing it is. Just an image and you get this video with this motion. Get used to this flag. This year, they'll be part of the game. So they just released an amazing model again, which is gonna be very disruptive. February, that's the beginning of the year in this side of the globe. So that is the moment in which you say Happy New Year in February. That's why maybe they're releasing so amazing stuff now. Let's go through the company behind that. ByteDance, a Chinese internet technology company. Maybe you don't know it. It's behind CapCut, Douyin, Lark, TikTok Music. So all those applications, Tauti, Xiao Video, Nervous, and more. So the good news is that the TikTok and CapCut that you are using now can give us some hope to have this model being released to us, maybe. So let's go on Hugging Face. That's the name of the model. OmniHuman-1. Rethink the scaling up of one-stage condition human animation models. We're going to go through this link here, and we get to this page, which is going to take us to the paper. That's the Cornell University archive papers. So it has been released this month, this paper, I believe 2 or 3 days ago. We're going to go through this paper very quickly. Okay, introduction here, related work, video generation. Again, stop here for the method maybe. So first, what they did? First, they provided an overview of the framework, including its input, outputs, and key elements. After that, they focused on omni conditions, design covering audio, pause, and reference conditions, and then detailed training strategy with OmniHuman, which leverages the omni conditions for mixed data training, enabling the model to learn natural motions from large-scale datasets. So they have 2 different systems that they're combining in order to get this to work. Here are the 2 different systems, one on the left and on the right. The main activities for this one here, weak motion related to strong motion related. Stage 1, text and image. Stage 2, we had the audio. Stage 3, we had the pause. High training ratio to low training ratio. So they more training into the images and the text, while the audio and the pause are going to be more into the noise. So here we see in this side here, text, gonna go through a transformer block, another transformer block, and so on. While the image is gonna follow the same path, the noise is gonna be composed with the audio and the pause, the audio being the frame level future. So coming in the predictions, on the hit future is gonna be also part of the noise. So here the Omni model have two parts, the architecture, which supports simultaneous condition with multiple modalities including text, image, audio, and pause. Employ progressive multi-stage training based on motion-related extent of the conditions. So to get the benefits of both. Okay. So I invite you to go to this paper. Just have a read through, even if you don't understand everything. I don't understand everything also, but it gets me to understand it more. So how does it work? Which component did they use to train it? What are the benchmarks, like here? So here we can see self-explanatory that they are just top benchmark. And we get here some sample images with some explanations telling us the percentage, the ratio that they used, because they used audio, motion, image, because it works also with videos. So for this lady, for example, here, the model are trained with different pose ratios, top 20%, middle 50%, and bottom 80%, and tested in an audio-driven setting with the same image input and audio. So they're doing the same for all of those here. Okay. And after we arrive to the end, it's a small paper, 15 pages. There are the references, but I haven't seen the Creditizens in the references. I think they made a mistake here, but it's okay. Please like and subscribe. And we're going to use this image here to tell you in Chinese that you need to subscribe.
Oh, hey, 你们是怎么发现我的？虽然我知道这样说有点不合适，但是为了你们的健康着想，希望你们记得多吃蔬菜。
Okay, that was amazing. But that's not true. That's not what he's saying.
Boring is easy. Everybody can be boring, but you're gooder than that. Life is not a game, people. Life isn't a cereal either. Well, it is a cereal. And if life is a game, aren't we all on the same team?
Isn't that amazing? You see how the details are? Here we're going to use the same audio, but with this image.
Boring is easy. Everybody can be boring, but you're gooder than that. Life is not a game, people. Life isn't a
Isn't
cereal
that amazing?
either. Well, it is a cereal. And if life is a game, aren't we all on the same team?
So here you're watching your Chinese drama, and that's the image. You just got the image and you want to make your own
希
story.
望我的小猫永远健康，永远快乐，长命百岁，好不好？
And here she's telling you, you're watching but you are not subscribed. Why?
我不后悔遇见你，更不后悔喜欢上你。谢谢你给我带来的快乐，只希望你每天都。
Okay, for this one here, just look at the motion of the body, the hands on the mouse.
Give people something to believe in, and they will move from you and me to us. And
Pretty amazing. What about with a mask? Is it gonna hallucinate?
现在住台南，租房子，因为工作的关系。
Crazy. So here, this one on the top left is the original video. All of the rest is AI made. The top right one, the image and the audio only, is AI made. The one on the bottom left, the image, the audio, the body, the hands, it will be a very similar to the one on the top of it, the original one. On the one on the bottom right is the image, audio, and hands only, which will be passing through the interpretation of the model.
But how do we produce food without destroying nature? How do we deliver to 10 billion people affordable, nutritious...
Pretty amazing. So those are the names behind this model. We need to get used now to see more Chinese researchers providing us some amazing models. So what? So start making your sketch and scenes as you just need an image. The video will be made by AI. We're getting views and vision and what is planned for the artistic world. In advance, you can start making your books of storylines and wait for the AI to be open source. Maybe, we hope. I can't run any stable diffusion in my computer, so I'm waiting for this model to have ByteDance, the TikTok owner and CapCut owner, releasing that to the public, to the world. An API for developers or an application would be amazing. Okay, let's stop here. I hope that you liked this video. Please like and subscribe, and see you next time.